everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to monetize your account on Facebook. So, to know how to earn money and monetize your account on Facebook, just follow me step by step. First, we need to go to Facebook app as you see, and you click here. In this window, you have to click on the sign profile and you will enter to this window. Then here in this page, you will find these three dots. As you see, we'll click here, three dots. Then you will find turn on professional mode. You will enter to this page. And here, as you see, turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. You will get here paid. You will get paid for your content, see content insights, grow your audience, and get discovered with tagging. So you will turn on to get these features. That way here, you will wait a moment until you turn on. Then as you see here, you will find some steps you have to follow them. We're going to professional mode. You will click on next. Again here, next audience, default audience, you will choose public. And you will click on next. After that, here you will find your view selection. You click on confirm in this window here. So then you click on, you will find here monetization tools. You will click on next. Also professional tools, you click on next, and here congrats, you are ready to start using professional mode, and you click to go to professional dashboard like this. And here as you see, here you can choose your tools or your goal here, reach more people or build your community or maximize my earnings or get a quick start on Facebook. For example, you can choose this and you can click here update in this way. So when you click here, you will go back to your first page of your profile. You will find this window of dashboard, and as you see here, you will find this sign of monetize. You will enter to it, and here in this page you will have partnership ads if you want to join to the program of ads. And as you see here, approved ads partners, how it works. So you have to be eligible to get partnership ads. Also here, content monetization, you will click here notify me when you are eligible to get monetization, and you click on notify me like this. And also here, as you see, if you need more earning of money, storefront earn money by offering videograms, custom videos from you to fans. As you see here, you can also get notified for this. And you can also here let your friends support you by sending stars and gifts. You can also click here to notify you by this to get gifts from your followers. So that's it. That's how you can get money or monetize your account on Facebook. If this video enjoyable for you, or if you are if you see this video helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.